Hey, what's up, yo? It's NapoHBarista. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Last video I mentioned I had something very exciting to share with y'all, and it's about time. We started a coffee roasting company, and it's called VOLKONA. So I'm at the car because the baby is sleeping and I really don't want to make noise, and this is exciting news and I don't really want to hold back from my emotions. So yes, I'm freaking excited. We started a coffee roasting company. The company is called VOLKONA Coffee. Now this has been something that we've been dreaming about for a long time. So if we can go back a whole bunch of years yeah, literally it's been years. So if you see that we started the Popup Coffee cart, right? And so my whole thing with the Popup Coffee cart was to roast our own coffee and sell our own coffee from our carts. I then realized that doing everything was just too hard. So we started partnering with like Onyx Coffee Labs and Switchback and other companies to just source our coffees at wholesale and, you know, sell coffee. But the roasting at home and the learning and just diving into the artistry and reading article after article after article and following roasters and reading books and just testing all these theories out at home, it never stopped. That stuff kept on going and going and going, and that's why recently I started sharing more roasting videos, simply because that's what I've been doing. I share my findings and my experiences in coffee with you all. Lately, all I've been doing is roasting, so that's why there's been a lot more roasting content than anything else, really. But we're very excited. So because of the virus, right, we weren't able to pop up anymore. And even before the virus, like honestly, we were preparing for our son's birth, and I had to stop the coffee business in preparation, and then after that it just got really hard. I had to help my wife out, and you know, dad life. But I really miss not only serving coffee to the community, but I miss that connection. So starting a coffee roasting company is a way for me to get that back, where I'm excited about a coffee that I sampled. I take this coffee to a facility, we roast a large batch, and I'm able to share it with you all, and then you guys could DM me or comment below, tell me what you think about the coffee and how did you manipulate the brew process in a way where you found the ideal profile for your liking. So our website is actually up and running. You can go ahead to VOLKONACoffee.com and purchase your coffee. We partnered with a company out in Brooklyn called Shared Roasting, and basically it's a roasting facility where you could lease the space and use the machines to roast your own coffees. We're going to be roasting on the lowerings because we got more than 15 orders. I know. I'm telling you guys all late, but the truth is, it's just been so much work to get everything going. The website, the emails, the logo, the designing the bag and the label, and being a dad and working full time and trying to get everything done. It was just so hard for me to sit down and record a video for y'all. So, but yeah, our first coffee is a Colombia Gran Galope. The region is Cauca. It's a wash process coffee, and it's freaking delicious. It really is delicious. It's that coffee that you don't get tired of. You know, it's nice body, it's bright, but it has a strong foundation of chocolate and caramel. It's sweet, it has a little bit of red fruit, there's lemon in it, and I actually brewed it in a way where I picked up some peach at some point, and that was delicious. Like, I've been drinking this coffee every morning. So I've been roasting the coffee for about a week or so, and it tastes amazing, and I just can't wait to share it with you all. So if you guys go to VOLKONACoffee.com, you can go ahead and check out our story. I suggest you guys go ahead and check it out. I think it's the best part of the website, honestly, since we're only serving one coffee. This is our humble beginning, and we're so happy to share it with y'all. If you're not following NapoHBarista on Instagram, or now VOLKONA Coffee, then you're missing out, because it's the easiest way for me to communicate with y'all. It's just a lot easier for me to post a picture or a small clip or a little story of what I'm doing and give me some information to give you guys a heads up of what's happening. So yeah, definitely Instagram is the best way to keep in contact with VOLKONA Coffee or NapoHBarista, and it's also the best way to reach me. Guys, thank you so much in advance for your support. If you watch my roasting videos and was like, I wonder how that tastes, this is your opportunity to taste our roast. We're starting with a Colombian. We're probably going to go with an Ethiopian next, and whatever's in season and harvesting at the moment. We try to get the freshest coffee, the highest scoring coffees. We are sourcing our coffees from cafe imports. Our coffee has high standards. These coffees are very expensive, and they also very hard to get your hands on when you're a small roaster. So, but I promise you, the coffee that we are releasing are nothing short but delicious. They're getting sampled over and over again. We cup them, we make sure that they meet our standards, and we just get excited about these coffees. I'm talking too much. I gotta go upstairs. I have to edit this video and go to sleep. So guys, VOLKONA Coffee is up and live. Go to VOLKONACoffee.com. Order your coffee now. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I have to go. All right? Peace.